Currency formatting in Python.
See the locale module. This does currency and date formatting.
New in 2.7. This URL.
Not quite sure why it's not mentioned more online, or on this thread, but the Babel package, and Django utilities, from the Edgewall guys is awesome for currency formatting, and lots of other internationalization tasks. It's nice because it doesn't suffer from the need to do everything globally like the core Python locale module. The example the op gave would simply be,
This is an ancient post, but I just implemented the following solution which doesn't require external modules, doesn't require creating a new function, can be done inline, handles multiple variables, handles negative dollar amounts. Code. Output. And for the original poster, obviously, just switch dollar for pound.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.